So even though Sauce Walka announced earlier that he will be at the Rick Ross car show, it looks like he couldn't make it there. But he was out here with his homies and several others showcasing their whips in these streets. They were making a lot of noise with these cars, driving up and down, and Sauce Walka says they want the world to see them. Let's check it out.
Just bolted up today, man.
Looking good. Talking about long daddies on them, man. Ooh-wee!
Yep, shit. What's up, bitch?
Talk to you.
What's up, bro? What's up? Just so the world can see us.
That's how y'all gonna shoot the video tomorrow.
Whatever Rizzo, Bucci and them want to do, get a bar, green on, corn, fold. I'm gonna go and give me about 3 more sets real quick.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.